Hello everyone, I hope you are doing okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, and if there exists any other gender, so hello to you as well. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get Canva Pro for absolutely free without paying even a single penny, a single cent, or even a single rupee. And you can even repeat this process again and again to get the Canva Pro subscription for free. So there's no hack that I'm using, there is no additional software that I'm using. It's just a simple thing that Canva itself provides. So let's just get started. So before we do anything, you just need to have an account in Canva. All you need to do is just log in with your Gmail account that exists in your life. Like I have log in with my Gmail account, so you have to just simply log in, and then here you need to press this button that says try Canva Pro. Okay, so when you press this button you will see that they are just telling us that you can try Canva Pro for free. So it gives us almost a month to try this software for free, and you can use all of the benefits, all of the premium features in Canva. So they'll remind you 7 days before your trial, and so just click on the start my trial, and you need to click on monthly option, and then just go to next. And then this is the step which is very important. All you need to have is your bank account, credit card, debit card, or any of the card. um, if you don't have any your account or your bank account, all you need to ask is your father to give his card, or your friend to give his card, or your any family member. All you just need to have a card, which is, I don't think, very difficult to get these days. There are a lot of websites that allow you to have their services, or you can have it from your friend, because it's actually uh, it's free, so there's no harm in it. So you have to select credit or debit card. Here you have to enter the card details. So let me just put my card details here. So after entering these details, you need to press get your free trial, and 30 days, that's absolutely $0, as you can see here. So now they're just okay. So that's it man, you've got your Canva Pro for absolutely free without paying even a single penny. So don't worry if any of the cents have been deducted from your account, like $1 or few cents. If they are deducted from your account, don't worry, it will be refunded within seconds. You just have to see, and you just have to wait, and everything will be fine. So finally you've got your account, and now you just have to start your Canva Pro. Like I'll do my personal project. So next, and hoorah, welcome to Canva Pro, and this is your account. Okay, so we've got the first step of getting the Canva Pro for free. So we have got this Pro subscription right now, but I'm going to tell you next is very important. So you need to click here and go to account settings, and then go to billing and plans right here. Okay, so when you come here, you can see that your card has been there, right? So you need to scroll down and see that you have Canva Pro, which will end the trial on December 10th, right? So before after December 10th, they will charge $6.49 per month, right? So what you need to do is uh, before December 10th, or whatever the date they will assign you, you can use it for free, right? Like till December 8 or December 9, you use it for free, and then you should just before renewal, you click on this button and cancel the plan. So when you cancel the plan, they would know that you are not ready for the Canva Pro for another month, which will charge you for $6. So this is a simple method to save your money before they renew automatically, because they renew automatically, and you could lose your $6, which you don't want to, because we are making a free account. So after you cancel this plan, before December 10 and using this tool for free, all you need to do is just log out, you sign up this account, make new Gmail account, sign in that Gmail account, and then again repeat the process of getting the Canva Pro for like a month trial. And that's how you can enjoy the Canva Pro with multiple IDs, multiple Gmail accounts. And if you're good at it, you would not worry for your things that are lost in previous account. So you don't need to worry. You can create another project, and that's how you use it, man. Canva Pro for free. And that's the video. Well, uh, I want to suggest you guys that you should, if you're using this Canva, so use it for meaningful purpose, like find the clients online. There are people who need designs, who need logos, who need a lot of things for their profile. So you should first find the clients who you can work for, and then use this tool. So within a month you should make some money. So it shouldn't be your ultimate goal to just use Canva Pro for like this method forever. You gotta work hard for like 2 months, earn some bucks, and then invest on just one account, like pay monthly on one account. $6 are not a lot, they're very less, so I guess everyone can afford. But if you're a newbie, you want to start from the scratch, you have no penny, no money, so you can apply this method and make multiple Gmail accounts and use this for free, absolutely free, like for 2 to 3 months. But you should make some money and then invest in just one account. That should be a permanent account, so that uh, you do not need to worry about losing your account again and again, using your work again and again, because a lot of projects are saved in this uh, one account, right? So that's all from my side. I hope this video was helpful, and if I'm not clear, if my voice is not clear, if there are any instructions that were not clear, so you can simply comment down and I will help you out. I will make another video for your problems. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in another video. Okay, so bye bye, take care.